Hello, folks. Technetize here, and today we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence. Now, don't let the word artificial fool you, because the intelligence is very real. By 2030, AI is going to be a game changer, and I'm here to tell you why. First off, let's take a look at where we are today, in 2023. AI has already made leaps and bounds in areas like language processing, image recognition, and even autonomous vehicles. It's also making our online shopping experiences more personalized and secure. And let's not forget about those handy AI assistants that are becoming a part of our everyday lives. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. By 2030, AI is set to revolutionize our world in ways we can't even imagine. Here are some of the highlights. Environmental protection and disaster prediction. AI will be our eyes and ears, analyzing data to detect early warning signs of environmental changes and natural disasters. Healthcare revolution. AI will diagnose diseases before symptoms even show up, and surgeons will have AI assistants for unparalleled precision. Economic development and job creation. AI is projected to create more jobs than it displaces, opening up new opportunities and professions. Space exploration and robotics. AI-powered robots will become our companions in space, performing tasks that are too dangerous or impractical for humans. Enhancing security and safety. AI will help identify suspicious behaviors and neutralize cyber threats, making our world a safer place. Sustainable energy and food production. AI will revolutionize farming practices and optimize renewable energy systems. Education of the future. AI will personalize learning experiences, breaking free from the one-size-fits-all approach. Social welfare and ethical considerations. AI will help tackle societal challenges like poverty and healthcare disparities. Advanced personal assistance. AI assistants will anticipate our needs, manage our schedules, and handle routine tasks. AI in daily lives. AI will handle household tasks like vacuuming, dusting, and even cooking, freeing up our time for more meaningful pursuits. And finally, the road to AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence. This is where AI systems can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across various tasks, surpassing human capabilities. So there you have it, folks. The future of AI is bright and full of possibilities. From protecting the environment to revolutionizing healthcare, AI is set to shape a better world. As always, this is Mr. Bist, signing off. Don't forget to comment down below with the word 100 if you watched the entire video. Until next time, stay curious.